Hello, it's Collector City, and today we are unboxing this litten GX tin. Let's crack right into it. Let's open it right up. There we go, I opened it. Take out the promo. Oh, that came off easy. Oh no. Whoa, we messed up the promo. No, the promo's damaged. We damaged it a bit. Oh well, so we damaged the promo a little bit. Don't know if you can see that, but you see a bit of the foil, just the regular silver foil. So I use sticky stuff to seal in the promo. So it's easy to fix. So I made it just a bit of Sharpie. Because you can't see the damage. Like how much damage the attack does. And it was Flame Wheel 30 damage and Ember GX 130 damage. Has 130 HP, so it's not a great GX, but Litten's just not a great Pokemon in general. So now we've got all three of the Alolan starters. Soon I'll make the Rainbow Rare of the Unova starters. I'm doing it out of order. I feel like doing Unova, because I like Unova, and yeah. More because of Snivy. Tepig I used to not like at all, but I like Tepig a little bit. The starter is not me. I hate this starter, Torchic. You might be thinking, what did Torchic ever do to me? Well, Torchic is just pure ugliness, especially when it evolves into Combuskin and Blaziken. Then it becomes a whole nother story. So let's just get opening this tin, more like cardboard. Let's dump the packs out. Let's see, I'm gonna do the XY base pack first, and I just dropped the pack. XY base. Open XY base. I just grabbed random cards from like a tin. Bunnelby, Fletchlinger, Timber, Weedle, Eveltor, Stoutland, Fletchling, Zora, Faroki, and a Melodic. We actually got a lot of cards that are actually from XY base. That's good. I did not mean to do that. Next, let's open up the Furious Fist pack with Halucha on it. Okay, Helioptile, Poplio, Gyarados Reverse, Clauncher, I think, Skunky, Reverse Arcanine. I actually have the actual version, actually not original, base set 2 Arcanine, but not Reverse, because Reverses didn't exist back then. And it was actually one of my very first Pokemon cards. Sylveon, and I don't know why this isn't with my Eevee stuff. That should be with my Eevee stuff, so let's put that to a side. Sputsy, Duskull Reverse, and a Fletchlinger. Next, let's do Mr. Stoice. Open that right up. Gourgeist Hollow, Meowth, Zapdos Hollow, Ooh, nice. This is great for my deck because this Mega Altaria is nice. It's good for decks. It's pretty playable. I really want the non-full art one, so I don't need to be playing a full art though. But yeah, we got a Hollow Zora, and now I won't have to do any trade backs anymore. It's official, I have it. So I gave him only 1 day to do a trade back, and he didn't, so this card's forever mine unless I decide to trade it for something better. Tepig Hollow, those weird bite marks. It looks like someone in the Pokemon factory is eating Pokemon cards recently. Well, actually not very recently because the card's from 2011. So I was like in preschool back then. And it sounded like I said priest school. Yeah, I do not want to go to priest school, especially since I'm not a boy. Yveltal. It's hard to see it, but it's hollow. Landorus Reverse, Ponyta, Wurmple, Lugia, and a full art Tornadus textured from Black and White Emerging Powers. So I was also a little preschooler, not priest schooler, preschooler. I don't know why what's with me in saying priest school. I'm not a priest. I don't think there's many priests out there that play Pokemon. Most of them just go, Our Father. I forget the rest of the words of that prayer. So, yeah, didn't get the greatest of pulls. 2 ultra rares, some hollows, but the other tins were better to us. And hold on a second, I thought we were done. We got a Flash Fire pack. Sorry, Charizard. Not like I like you anyway, because Charizard's stupid and too overrated, but we'll open you up. I don't think we're ever getting that Charizard Premium Collection box, because hooey, it got me mad, because they excluded Blastoise and Venusaur. I was so annoyed. Got Throw, Victini, Reverses of Vault, Minccino, Onix, Vault with these weird star things. Does this mean it's fake? Okay, a fake Vault, Oshawott, Seismitoad, Malamar, and a Team Plasma card. So tell me in the comments down below, is this card fake because there's these weird star things on it? I'm gonna go with yes, it is fake. Because Pokemon cards, especially common cards, don't have this. Unless this is like really rare. I honestly don't know what RC8 out of RC25 means. It's not super rare. Probably not, because number 1, it's a vault, and number 2, it's probably fake, and it feels weird too. I honestly think it's fake. And the flashlight, when I see the glare not inside the camera screen, here's a normal card, it looks like different glares. Because this card's like a bit glossy. I think it's fake, but it's still a nice card even if it is fake. The real version comes from Legendary Treasures, cool. But this just makes no sense how these stars are on it. It's gotta be fake. I don't do the rip test though, because what if I rip a real card? So we're not doing the real versus fake rip test. I really like this card. He's from my deck. I need to put him back in. And I whoop people's butts with it. And I whoop people's butts with lots of cards online so we can get lots of cards. Once I get online working, we're going to do a massive unboxing. Because we've got almost a booster box worth of packs online soon. So that's going to be nice fun. And I might be not even until 2018 because I'm gonna hopefully have codes on my birthday and Christmas soon, and whoop people's butts in battles, which will get me Pokecoins to buy booster packs. And I'm gonna be trading some bad packs like Crimson Invasion for hopefully some Shining Legends and Phantom Forces. It'll be fun. So, you guys can look forward for that. Tell me in the comments down below. Do you want to see a booster box worth of packs online? Leave a like if you do. Maybe comments, whatever you want. If you want to leave a like, I think likes would be easier, so just do likes. Because if you don't want to see it, then I'll just do it off camera, because then what's the point of wasting space on my camera? And I also need to wait for the Pokemon app to decide to work, because every time it updates, it decides to be a little stupid idiot. It's like, hey, I decided to be a craphead now that I update it. Now I just feel like I'm like high on sugar now. Well, I did eat candy. So, yeah, I'm probably high on sugar. So, that now shall be farewell. Okay. And say hi to Charmeleon. He's still got a broken back. I don't know if he'll ever have his back come back to life. If I find it lying around my room or my school or whatever, then I'll pick it up. Well, if it's in my school, it probably would have been swept up by now, because janitors are not considerate. But even then, a teeny tiny piece of red plastic, they'd think that's a piece of a bottle cap. So, I think it'll be farewell. And yeah, farewell.